If you've ever wondered how to hand sew a liner into a crochet piece, this tutorial is for you. You're going to need a crochet bag, a piece of fabric, a sewing needle, and some thread. The color doesn't really matter too much because it will be hidden in an invisible stitch. And finally, I'm using my mini sewing machine. So first off, you're going to lay out your fabric and fold it in half. If it's a little bit too big to work with, you could always trim it down now. And you're going to put the fold at the bottom. Next, you're going to lay your crochet piece over the fabric, and I'm lining it up here on the left hand side, leaving about 1/4 of an inch on the left side. And then here on the right side, we're going to mark it so we know where we need to sew and cut. So here I'm actually going to use a Sharpie to mark where the edge of the bag is, and this is where I'm going to sew my seam, and we're going to cut about 1/4 of an inch past that. So here I'm taking my scissors and I'm cutting, like I said, about 1/4 of an inch past the line that I marked for where the seam is going to be. My scissors are terrible, so I'm going to speed this up so it's not as painful to watch. Now this is where I'm using my mini sewing machine. I'm first going to do the seam where I marked with the Sharpie. I find the mini sewing machine to be so easy to use. I'm not a sewing person. I'm mostly a crochet artist, so this was a really affordable machine for me. I'll link it in the description box below if you're interested. Now I'm just turning my piece around to secure the end of the seam. And now I'm working on the seam on the opposite side of the bag. And for this one, since we didn't mark it with Sharpie, I'm just going about 1/4 of an inch in from the edge. And again, I am turning the piece around to secure the end of the seam so that it doesn't unravel. This is what the bag should look like. You should have one opening at the top and the 2 seams on the sides. And now we can put it inside of our crochet piece. So what you do is you insert it with the folded side down at the bottom. And sometimes you may have to get your hand up inside the bag to kind of push it all the way down and make sure that it's fully seated. Once you have it placed where you want it, you're going to fold down the upper edge, and this is going to be where we sew our seam. Before we sew it, we're going to pin it in place with these pins, and this is just going to help make sure that the bag is evenly spaced and stays in place. And once it's all pinned in place, just do one double check to make sure you like the way it sits. To start the sewing, you're going to need a sewing needle and a long piece of thread. I would start with about 30 inches and see how you like that. We're basically going to fold it in half and use double thread to do the sewing. So here I am threading my needle and pulling the ends together. So here's the ends of my thread, and we're going to secure it in place before we start sewing. So to do this, I'm going to take off one of my pins, and I'm going to place the needle through my crochet piece but not all the way through because you don't want it to go through to the front of the piece. And pull the thread through until you have just maybe about an inch of the tail peeking. And we're just going to tie a quick knot. Now you can tuck this tail down beneath the line of your fabric, and it should stay hidden down there. Now to do the invisible stitch, we're going to insert our needle right underneath the fold of the fabric, and you're going to go in about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch along the channel that's in that fold, and pull the thread all the way through. And then you're going to take the needle and go into the crochet piece, but going the opposite direction, kind of backwards. Make sure you're not going all the way through the piece. It should only be going through kind of like the top layer of the piece. Pull your thread through and tighten it a little bit here. And now you're going to go back into the fabric again, going along the fold, just at this upper part of the fold. Push your needle through and pull to tighten. And then you're going to go backwards again through the crochet piece, going back about halfway the length of your stitch that went through the fabric. And you're going to be alternating back and forth like this, going through the fabric, along the fold, pulling your thread, and then going back into the crochet piece, about halfway back. And as you go, you can take out those pins that are holding your fabric in place, and you're just going to work your way all the way around the piece. And here I wanted to show you what to do when you run out of thread. For this project, you're probably going to need multiple strands of thread to complete this. So this is what I do. I actually weave it back through the crochet piece, pull it tight, and then I'm going to push it down through the crochet piece one more time, kind of out of the way. And I'm going to cut the thread off here. And when I attach my new yarn, I'm going to do it the same way with a double knot. And the tail of my new yarn, I'll also tie a knot with this tail so it'll hold it extra in place. So here I've just attached my new thread and I'm tying my double knot to secure the new piece of thread. And now I'm grabbing the old tail and I'm going to double knot it to this new tail for the new thread. And that should hold everything in place really securely. And then you can just tuck those down beneath the line of the fabric and continue your seam. So here I thought I'd show you what it looks like on the purple side of my bag. It might be a little bit easier to see. So I put my needle through the fold of the fabric, and now I'm going backwards into the crochet piece. And then I'm going to go back into the fold of the fabric. And you just continue alternating. And there's the finished product. Your bag is all lined. Now there's one more thing you could do. You could add a clasp if you want to be able to close your piece. These are magnetic clasps, and I'll link them in the description below. And basically what you do is you sew one to each side of your piece. And I would recommend sewing through both the fabric and the crochet piece, and it would give you a nice little snap closure. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more crochet tips.